7 days off social media. Would your brain feel better or worse? Let's walk through what a week-long pause can actually do. Just a quick note, this is for educational purposes. Everyone's brain is wired differently, so results will vary by person. All right, day 1 and 2. This is the autopilot phase. Your brain, trained by thousands of tiny habits, will probably reach for your phone without you even thinking about it. You might feel a sudden spike in FOMO, that nagging fear of missing out. Or maybe it's a wave of boredom or just a general restlessness. This is completely normal. Think of it as a withdrawal period. Your brain is adjusting to a new, quieter reality. But here's the hidden win that starts to surface. By cutting out social media, you're eliminating hundreds of tiny micro-interruptions throughout your day. All those notifications, those quick scrolls, those little pings for your attention, they create a constant background noise in your mind. As that noise gets swept away, you suddenly have more mental space. Your cognitive load drops and a clear target for real focus starts to appear. By day 3 or 4, you might notice this new mental space in action. Your attention can feel steadier, less jumpy. That feeling of needing to switch tasks every few minutes might start to fade. Your mood can shift too. Some people feel calmer and experience less of that comparison pressure that comes from scrolling through curated lives. It's like a heavy scale inside you starts to balance out. Another potential benefit? Sleep. If scrolling through feeds was your go-to bedtime habit, removing that blue light and stimulation can lead to smoother, more restful nights. But it's not magic, and it's not a universal fix. For some people, this week can feel lonely. That quick, easy social contact is gone, and the silence can feel isolating. As some research shows, it can lower feelings of social relatedness for some. It highlights a key point. A social media pause isn't just about what you remove, but what you connect with instead. This leads to the most important strategy. Replace, don't just remove. Fill that new time intentionally. Text a friend directly, go for a walk, pick up a book, doodle, create something. If you're serious about a 7-day pause, a smart plan helps. You could delete the apps entirely or at least log out to create a barrier. Block the shortcuts on your home screen. And if going cold turkey feels like too much, try setting 2 strict check-in windows a day. Once in the morning, once in the evening. No random checks in between. And then you hit day 7. The goal here is just to notice what actually changed for you. Was it your focus, your overall mood, your sleep quality, or did you just notice the craving, the habit itself more clearly? Taking a moment to see what shifted, if anything, is the real prize. It gives you data about your own mind and your relationship with these platforms. So if you were to try a 7-day pause, what do you think would be the hardest part? The FOMO, the sheer boredom, or just breaking that deep muscle memory, that automatic habit of reaching for your phone? It's something worth thinking about.